walk into this nursery that I always want to come to, but it's a ways away from my house. I'm gonna see if I see anybody there. I'll ask if they don't mind, and I'll continue to record. But yeah, I'm really excited to come here. So let's see. Right now, they don't have a lot. They just explained to me that the place where they used to get the succulents, they moved, so now they're not getting as many. But look at this, how this has grown. I like the way it's stretched out like that, and I like the big top like that. This looks like the panda plant. I think that's, yeah, it is panda plant, so it says that one, but I don't know if that one is the same as well. These are all the same prices no matter the size, so they tend to do that here, keep it the same price. I like that one too, kind of like how it has all the heads right here, so I'm thinking about that one. This is a bunch of Echeverria Newberg, elephant bush, and dogtail cactus with a little bit of kalanchoes in there, and then just a bunch of, this is good, probably not gonna be super long video, a bunch of other plants. I'll show you the bigger plants on the other side. All these different types of agaves, a bunch of agave. It's so sad that he no longer has any more some more succulents and cactus. They used to carry a lot, but like I said, the people moved. So yeah, that's 30. Blue agave flame. This one is agave splendida, 30. So all these are the same. Sorry for going a little quick. But pretty much, there's not really much to look at. I'll show you these right here. Well, this one is different. An agave needle leaf. I've never seen that one. And then dragon fruit, sticks on fire, euphorbia, big euphorbia, prickly pear. That is not a prickly pear, so I don't know why it has that. Maybe they put it on the wrong one. Here are these agaves. These are nice. They do not have a price, but these are beautiful. And then I believe, is this the one I have? I think this is the one I have at home. Agave Americana, $30. Then agave cow's horn. Yeah, this is the one I have at home. It's getting pretty big. Look at that. So pretty. It's got babies. I need to repot it and then pull out the baby. Yep, all these. I have also, it looks like this one, but I'm not sure. Because in the pot I have it as well. I need to take it out of the pot. It's already outgrown its pot. And need to pot it in a different pot. Let's see what the name of this thing is. Agave false. And then this one. And then I have these as well, these blue ones. Anyways, guys, that's it. This is the kalanchoe that I ended up paying for. I like it because to me it looks like a rose bush. And yeah, I would not trim this at all. I would keep it as is, put it in a beautiful pot, and just keep it the way it is. I really love it. She stretched out looking for the sun, and what is it called? Then obviously up here she got the sun she needed, so she started to grow. So I guess for this type of plant, I don't mind that it doesn't look the way it's supposed to intend to look. So this is a beauty. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. And as you can see, I was just passing by and I noticed that they were open. I'm like, yes, let me go in real quick. So anyways, have a blessed day, guys. Bye.